Hi everyone, this is our Ryobi USB Lithium LED flip light. This light has 3 brightness modes, 500 lumens, and over 24 hours of runtime. One of the great things about this light is the versatility and the ability to mount and direct your light exactly where you need it to go. It has a magnetic, pivoting, and collapsible stand and an incorporated 2x mount. With an IP54 water and dust resistance rating, you can guarantee durability even in the toughest conditions. The best part is this product is part of the USB Lithium system, which gives you the ability to swap batteries for extended runtime. Check out this Ryobi USB Lithium LED flip light and our entire family of Ryobi USB Lithium products exclusively at the Home Depot.